time na pinalipad ko to. The last time I fly this XKK 170, it had unexpected crash. You know what was happened was it become uncontrollable. So it's like ano siya, it's like it's not responding to the stick commands, and there were some delays with the respond of this helicopter, of this RC helicopter with the stick command. And yun ang di ko maintindihan kung paano nangyari yun. I don't know what happened. Maybe interference, I don't know. Pero the spot was a very open spot, so I think there was no interference of any kind na meron sa lugar na yon. I just don't know what happened. It was very unexplainable. I don't understand. I did not understand what happened. So I don't know. Maybe the range, out of range, I don't know. What's the range of this? Siguro mga 100 meters naman to eh. Yung range niya before disconnecting, but I think the range before the range I fly the last time was not beyond the 100 meters, so still in the range. Still have a good connection, but it's really, I don't understand, and I can't explain how it happened. Good thing hindi siya nagulungan ng mga sasakyan, because na ano siya, nalaglag siya, bumaga siya sa tree, then nalaglag siya sa kalsada. So luckily it was not ano yun, it was not hit by some motor vehicles or cars, kasi nasa kalsada siya bumagsak eh. So yun, ulitin ko ulit, i-retest ko kung ano talaga yung ano, kung magdi-disconnect pa siya or magkakaroon ng solid na connection. And tingnan nyo yung lugar, malawak pero may katubigan, so there's like a pond. Dangerous pag dyan bumagsak, delikado. I think the recovery and the retrieval will be hard. Anyway, ayun talaga, I don't know what happened exactly, because it was connect, bind, up, down, because it was become uncontrollable eh. In the like in the range of hindi pa siya ganun kalayuan, siguro mga ano lang siya, it was like maybe 60 meters, but it was become uncontrollable, and it's not responding to the stick, to the remote, to the radio. It was very hard to comprehend what happened. Yan, second rate, may minor crash, so tumama siya sa puno. Buti tumama sa puno, good thing it hit the tree, because if it were not for the tree, I think I already lost the XKK 170 or the aircraft. Let's see, pero hindi ko siya papalayuin. I will not fly this far away because of the, as you can see naman, the surroundings, it's water, and good thing kung dito bumagsak. Yan, okay lang, medyo pwede pa na ma-recover. I don't understand talaga last time. I hope you see the video. It's very hard to understand kung how it happened, how the crash happened. It was become uncontrollable. Siguro mga ano lang, around 60 meters range, and then it was become it become very uncontrollable. It's not responding to the stick command, to the stick inputs, or if there was a response, it was very delay. It was there was too much delay in the response. That's why it hit the tree. And medyo pumunta pa siya dun sa mga estudyante na nagpa-practice ng ng baseball. So good thing there was no no injury happened with the students. Ano, medyo may delay siya oh. May delay na unti. May delay siya na unti talaga eh. Uy. Medyo sluggish yung respond niya sa stick command eh. Sluggish. Uy, almost. Ano talaga, may ano siya, may parang kailangang attentive ka sa ano niya. Sa movement. Kailangang you have to counter you have a counter movement right away. Kasi nga medyo delay yung reaction niya. Grabe. I really don't understand what happened yung last time na pinalipad ko siya. Grabe talaga siya. The delay was unbearable talaga. The delay was very unacceptable until such moment na it hit the tree talaga, because of the delay in the reaction of the aircraft nga with the stick command. Too much delay. Grabe, too much lag. I don't understand. Interference? I guess no. Because wala naman siyang ano, walang interference. I think very minimal yung interference doon. I really don't understand what happened. So far here, okay naman. I can say na maganda yung response ng aircraft with the stick commands. Good thing there was no major damage occurred in the aircraft. Still flyable. Because it's just hit the tree, the leaves, the branches, and then drop in the street. And good thing no motor vehicle, car hit the aircraft, because it's the end of the world kung nangyari yung ano, kung medyo nasagasaan to. So far okay naman siya dito, but I don't understand before kung ba't ganun yung ano. It was very sluggish and almost no response with the stick command. Ayan, minsan nag-overshoot siya eh. There was some overshooting incident because of the delay. Ayun, ganun no. Ayan, medyo delay talaga siya eh. Siguro need calibration ng remote, in my opinion. Tulad ganyan no, hindi siya nag-re-react oh. Iba yung ano niya oh. Iba. I think need calibration ng remote. I think there's any way how to calibrate the remote, the sticks. Okay. So far, may mga ano pa rin siya, parang glitches sa stick commands. Parang when you turn this, parang bumabalik siya. Parang bumabalik siya, may ano, like there's a counter reaction. May adverse reaction yung aircraft pagdating sa stick command. Anyway, I think this is very fast for the beginners, and this is not intended for the kids. I really mean it. This is not for the kids. This is not a toy. I'm warning you guys. I'm warning if you have kids who are underage, minors. This is not for the kids. This is not a toy. It has a very powerful motor and very fast, very dangerous. It may cause accident, injuries. It may cause injuries with your kids. So this is not a toy, even for adults alike. This is not a toy. You don't have to mess around with this kind of RC helicopter. This is a very dangerous toy. This is not a toy really. It has a brushless motor, very powerful rotation, very powerful and sharp blades. So this is not a toy. This may cause injuries. So this helicopter may cause injury. So don't mess around, don't play around with this RC helicopter. And make sure if you have a kids, make sure you have a adult to supervise with this helicopter while you are flying, because this is a very dangerous, guys. I'm telling you, this is very dangerous. May cause injuries, risk of injuries, and of course flyaways and crash. So those are the pointers for this RC helicopter. This is not a toy. This is not a toy. Very powerful. This has a brushless motor on board. Very powerful and dangerous.